Namaste, this is Vaidya Samarth P. Rao, practicing Ayurvedic physician at Amrut Ayurvedic Center in Baswangudi. This episode tell you all the different things to avoid if you have some kind of a thyroid related problem. Particularly, I would focus on a particular condition called Galagandha, Gandamala. Okay, Gandamala is a condition where your neck has a button shaped or an inflammation or a swelling underneath your neck. This is called Galaganda Gandamala. It can be correlated to something like a goiter. You can have a toxic goiter or a non-toxic goiter. So, goiter also is where there is an inflammation of your thyroid gland. You should know that the thyroid gland is an endocrine gland that is a butterfly shaped gland below your Adam's apple, and it produces T3 and T4. One is thyroxine, which is T4, and then T3. These two hormones play a key role to maintain metabolism in your body temperature, digestion capacity, and stabilizes and maintains your pulse rate, your heart rate. So, very important hormones in your body. And a goiter can happen both in a condition where there is hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. In both these conditions, when there is a swelling, Ayurveda says the patient needs to avoid products of milk. What are the different products of milk? Milk, curds, cream. So these are the different things that the person needs to avoid products of milk and milk products. Second, they should avoid sweets. Now, as per Ayurveda, the three doshas that are involved in causing an inflammation in your neck or a thyroid related problem, particularly hypothyroidism, is Vata, Kapha, and Medhas. And they get accumulated, there is a swelling here. And all sweet products, sugar related, jaggery related products, they all cause an increase in Kapha dosha. When the Kapha dosha increases, the swelling of the neck also increases. Avoid sweets and sugar products. Same holds with jaggery. I have patients who come and say, Doctor, you have told me to avoid sugar, can I take jaggery? So I say they're both the same. So avoid both of them. Next pulse that Ayurveda says you need to avoid is black gram and black gram products. We call this urad dal in all other Indian dialects. Urad dal is used in preparation of idli and dosas and vadas particularly. Don't consume it in excess. So if you are a thyroid patient, avoid consuming too much of urad dal. The next item is meat of animals living in marshy areas, whether it could be aquatic products like fish, shrimp and crabs and different other things that are got out of the ocean, or marshy area and domesticated animals and birds should also be avoided. Avoid citrus and sweet fruits. The more sweeter the fruit and citrus it is, it has an effect on the thyroid gland. So avoid that is what Ayurveda says. Ayurveda also says to avoid incompatible foods. So by now I have told you what Viruddha Ahara is. If you have watched all my episodes, I would have told you foods with opposite qualities. When you consume, that also increases swelling underneath the neck. Now, in Ayurveda, Galaganda is a very symptomatically present. There is a swelling. We, on the other hand, do not consider it a Vyadi if just your T3, T4, your TSH numbers are very high or low. It's very important to check those T3 and T4 numbers, where it's either hyper or hypo. Appropriate care can be taken to correct them. Ayurveda has excellent medicines to address the thyroid related problems. Next episode, I'm going to tell you all the different foods that you can consume to assist your healthy functioning of your thyroid gland. Till then, thank you.